Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to see about what is package, and how we can use package in the program, and what is the use of the package. We will see. Actually, package um, is a feature provided by the Java. Our user-defined package we can create that we can make use of in Java code. Okay. By default, we have some packages. Okay. The default packages we will see first, then we will move on to the real one. Okay. So if you see the syllabus, in syllabus they have given packages here in the unit number 3 from this to this. Okay. So we are going to see only one example program. Only one example program. By using that example program, we are going to understand what is package. Okay, what is package? All right. Now let me choose the whiteboard of Google. Okay. Yeah, let me deselect this. So if I go here, I can open. I can open here. Yeah. All right. Now let me rub this. So package, we will see. So already we know that something called as import. Okay. Import is it's a keyword which is given by the Java. In some programs, if you see import space Java dot util, okay, util dot star and semicolon. So this is nothing predefined package. This all comes under predefined package. Okay, and here user defined package. Let me write. Okay, user defined package. So in predefined package, we have util and we have import Java dot awt. If you remember, for applet we have used dot star and semicolon. Then import Java dot applet is a package dot star and import Java for IO streams, file IO streams. We have used um, IO package, right? IO dot star semicolon. So these are the things comes under predefined packages. Okay. So in examination, you list just predefined packages and user defined packages here. So in predefined packages, which is considered as package, util is considered as package, AWT is considered as package, applet is considered as package, IO is considered as package. These are all are predefined. So predefined means already we have this thing in Java library that we are going to import here and we are going to utilize it. Okay. All right. Now, see, we have predefined packages and we are able to create user defined package also. We don't have any list like that. Just we are going to create two programs, and in that we are going to name as the program we are going to name as one package name, and another program I'm going to give as a package name that we are going to link. Okay. All right. Now, you see, let me run this quickly. I think, yeah, I can. Okay. Okay. Now, so what I'm going to do here, you see, first we have to understand about the computer directories. Computer directories. So what is directory? See, directories means, see, we will be having C colon, it's a directory in computer. And we have D colon also in computer, that is one directory. And we have E colon also, that is called as one directory. Okay. So what are the things we have? In directories, we will be having folders. Okay. Many folders, folder one, and here folder 2, like that we will be having. Similarly for D also we have folder 1 and folder so and so on. We will be having many. E colon also we will be having like that. Okay, and so on. And inside this folder we may have some other folder also. Okay, and here also we will be having some other, here also we will be having some other, and it seems like one hierarchy. Okay, okay. Okay, so in every directory, we will be having some folders. In that, you will be saving your own files. It may be anything, movies, audio files, or any other files that can be used for your future, that you can take it for your references. All right. Now, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a code in one notepad. Okay. Uh, Then some related items of this notepad I'm going to write in another notepad. Okay. So after that, we are going to compile this first notepad. Then we are going to compile the second notepad. After compiling the second notepad, we are going to run it. Which one? The second notepad, we are going to run it. See why I have to run the second notepad, that I will tell you when I write the code. Okay. So what I'm going to do, the first, consider this is A1, this is A2. Okay, this A1, I am going to store somewhere here. Okay, for example, here A1 I am storing. A2 I can store somewhere in the same directory. Here A2. Okay, so A1, A2, it's in different folder. This is separate folder. This is separate folder. Different folder. That we are going to connect it. Okay. So how we are going to connect, we will see. So before that, few more things we have to understand about the packages. Let me rub this quickly. See, a package contains classes. Okay, a package contains classes. So if you have studied exception handling, that I have mentioned very clearly, package contains classes. So let me elaborate it. Let me take some other sketch. Um, so yeah, all right. It's too, yeah, okay. I can't rub this. Why? I don't know. I can go back like this. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, see, for util package, we have scanner class. So if you are using scanner class, what we will do, util package we will input on top. And if you are using paint function. Yes, if you are using paint function, or if you're using a paint function, you will take AWT package on top in the code. Okay. Applet, in applet, we have um, like init function. Init function, we have start function, we have stop function, we have destroy function, right? This all functions we have in applet package, which means what? Let me take util package. So util package, in the util package, we will be having scanner class and so on. Many classes we have. So scanner class. So in scanner class, we will be having multiple methods like system dot, sorry, multiple methods like uh, next int, okay, next int, next int, next int, next float, next double, like that we have methods. Like that we have methods. Okay. These methods, if you want to use, then you have to import scanner class. So what I'm trying to say here, util is a package, scanner is a class, and inside the scanner class, we will be having some functions, which means a package contains classes, a classes contains functions and variables. Okay. All right. Similarly, AWT is a package, so abstract window toolkit. In AWT, we have several, in AWT, we have several classes. So in that several classes, we have several functions. So what I'm trying to say here, a package contains several classes. A classes contains several functions and variables. Okay. Coming to applet, same thing. So applet we will be having as a package. Applet is a package. In applet package, we will be having classes. Okay, classes like some classes we have in applet. In the classes, we will be having functions like init function, so that I have listed here. Okay, so it is a collection of what? Package is a collection of classes and variables into it. All right. So this is the prerequisite information about packages. Okay. So now user-defined packages we know. Sorry, not user-defined packages. Predefined packages we know. A predefined packages, it has classes into it, and functions and variables. Okay. So we have something called as lang package. Okay, lang package, we are not importing it. By default in Notepad, lang package will be there. In lang package, what are the things we have? We have system.out.println, out.println. Here, system is a class, out is a variable, println is a function. And in same lang package, we have system dot system.in. System.in means what? System is a package, in is a variable. Okay. So the conclusion is every class will be having what? Every class will be having functions and variables. Okay. This idea you have to keep in your mind. Now let me clean the screen quickly. I'm not finding any shortcuts for this to clean up. It is not going. Yeah. So now I'm going to write the code. Okay, try to understand the code, because you see, we are going to write the code, and we are going to connect those codes. Okay, how it works, that we will see. So what I'm going to do, user-defined package I'm going to create. So don't think that it will be very complicated. It's very simplest one. It's very easy to understand also. By having only one example, you can write in your exam. Okay. All right. Now, let me take one notepad. In that notepad, I'm going to write that code. All right. Okay. Now you see, this is going to be the first one. Yeah. So here I have one. This is notepad one. Notepad one. This is notepad two. Okay. Notepad 2. In notepad 1, I'm going to write one code. You just observe. You see normal code only. Firstly, see, this is user defined package, user defined package. In examination package, if they ask, you have to write this code only and you have to explain it. Before that, if you want to list this one and explain, it is your choice. You can do that. Notepad one, first package name you have to give. So package keyword we have to write. Okay. Space. What is the package name? So package name we can give anything. I'm giving here my pack one. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, followed by that, here I can give one class. Okay, class name is pack. Okay, and class name I can say anything here, anything you can give. So in this I'm going to write the code. So here public, see it should be public. Okay, one function I am taking public void fun and in this I am going to print only one statement, system dot out dot println this hello world. Okay, done. So in first notepad we have done something. In first notepad, this is not that much complicated program, it's very easy. We have one class and we have one function, user defined function. In that function we are printing hello world. That's it. Okay, if you notice one thing, I am not mentioned public static void main in this. Okay, the public static void main where we have to give, we have to give in notepad 2. Okay, we have to give in notepad 2. Let me take this to left side. Yeah, so if you see notepad 2, we have to do one thing first. The first package you see, the package name is what? My pack one. That we have to import here first. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, yeah, it is not coming. Yeah. So I'm going to import it first. Import space my pack. Okay, my pack I'm importing here. In my pack one colon. See here what we are given, that only we have to take here. Import my pack one followed by that class name. So class name I'm taking as pack 2. Okay. So here public static void main I'm going to give public static void main, and this all things under your field string args and close it. And in this, in public static void main, we have to create object. Correct? We have to create object for which one? We have to create object for pack 2. We have to create object for pack 2, and object will be what? Object will be anything, obj equal to new here pack 2 and open bracket close bracket and semicolon. After this we, by using that object we have to call what? We have to call this fun function because this has to be printed, no? So obj dot fun function I'm calling. After calling this, I'm closing this bracket, public static void, then class we have to close. Done. So we have done with coding. Okay, now we have to execute it. So how to execute? There we have one step. You see, to normally what we will do after writing the code, we will compile the program, then we will execute. So here we have two programs. Which one we have to execute first? Which one we have to compile first? First we have to compile this code, the notepad 1. That one we have to compile first. So what we have to compile? You see, Java. This is the syntax Java C. You know that for compilation Java C we will take space -d. See students, why I am given -d means D stands for directory. So in the beginning of the video itself, I have told you we are going to save this notepad 1 somewhere, notepad 2 somewhere in the same directory. Okay, in the same directory. That's why to identify from the directory -d we have to give, followed by that What is the program? What's the class name here? Pack. Class name is pack. Okay. And extension is what? Java. That's it. Okay. So this is to compile. This is to compile code one. This is to compile the notepad one. Notepad one we have compiled. All right. Now we have to compile the notepad 2. First one we have done. Okay. After compilation, this is going to create one dot class file that will be in that particular directory. And here, the same thing we have to follow, but we are not going to compile in this way because main function is resides in this only. So this one, how to compile? Normally, how we will compile Java C space Java C space. What is the class name? That is pack2 dot Java. So now we have compiled the second code also. Now we have to run it. So for run, what is the syntax? To run the code, we have syntax that is nothing pack2 pack2 dot Java. That's it. So now if you run the class file which is in this location, that will be taken here and it will be displaying the output. What is the output? Output is going to be hello world. Okay, done. That's it. So this is all about packages. So how to represent this package uh, answer in the examination? See students, first you have to write what is package, okay, and list some packages, predefined packages, list predefined packages, okay. Thirdly, uh, Thirdly, write some description about packages. So in description about packages in the sense, util, what is util, what is AWT, what is applet, what is IO, in that what are the classes we have, that what are the functions we have, that you can write. Fourth one, example program. This two you can write. Okay. This you are going to save in one directory. In the same directory only, we are going to store this also, same directory. For example, d colon, in that we are going to say here also d colon we are going to save. After saving this, we are going to compile. After writing the code, fourth one is writing the code. Fifth step, compilation and execution. Okay. Then you explain the code how it works. So sixth one is explanation. Done. So in this way, we can represent the answer for packages, but don't leave any questions in your examination. Okay. So this is all about packages. If you have any doubts, you tag with me. I'll answer for that. Okay. Okay, students. Let me. Thank you.